Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to assign drop-down values in Google Forms. So first, make sure your internet connection is turned on. Then open up a blank form or open up an existing form. I'm going to open up an existing form. Once the form is open, tap the top where the title is or should be, and on the side here, click plus to add a question. Now, simply enter whatever question you want. And right here, change this option from multiple choice to drop down. Now you can enter whatever you want for the options. Hit enter if you need to enter a new option. Once you've done that, you can make this required so that the respondent will have to reply. I'm going to do that, but you don't have to. And that's it for today's video. That's how to assign values to drop down. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.